Let's learn how to take a good photograph of your artwork to submit. The first thing you need to keep in mind is, where is the artwork? What is it sitting on? It needs to be on a flat surface, like a table or a floor. It also should be on a plain background. So if you look here, this tablecloth is kind of busy. I'm going to take the tablecloth away and I'm going to put the artwork just on the table. The next thing to keep in mind is, how do you hold your iPad? So when you hold your camera, you don't want to hold your iPad like this, because look what happens to how your picture looks. It's not straight. So you want to move your iPad until the picture is in your frame and the sides of the picture line up with the sides of your iPad. It means that your iPad will be parallel with the table or the surface you're taking the picture on. Hold it with two hands so it doesn't wiggle, and then with one hand, push the button. Whoops, I got a little off. If you zoom in, you can take a second one. See which one is less blurry. Sometimes when you zoom in too much, it gets more blurry. Depends on your camera. If you want to take a detail, you can zoom in more. Now, if I'm taking a picture of a horizontal or landscape photo or artwork, I'll need to turn my camera to match the direction of the artwork. Again, I hold it above. Look at how the sides of the artwork are matching with the sides. Look at how I make sure to turn the iPad so my button is right by my thumb and I don't have to let go. I can hold it with two hands. When taking a picture of your artwork, maybe on a refrigerator or something, you want to make sure to hold the iPad again so it's parallel with the surface. The edges of your artwork should line up with the edges of the iPad. Make sure your push button is near where your thumb is when you're holding your iPad with two hands. If you turn it and it gets in the wrong place, just turn it back. Hold steady. I always take two in case I wobble with the first one. Then you can go look at all the photos you've taken. Scroll through them all. Figure out which one is the best one and delete the ones that aren't as good. I don't like this one as well. I will delete it. This one, I cropped off the edges too much. I should probably go back and redo it. Here's the one on the fridge. Oh, wait, there we go. If I go this way, I can see the whole thing. If I have a lot of extra, I can go to Edit, use this crop button, and use my finger to crop out a little bit more of the extra stuff. Leave a little bit around the edges, but you can crop out most of the stuff around the edges. Hit done. There it is.